Hey, how's it going? So I'm going to rip into my second box of 2015 Bowman Chrome. I'm going Bellinger hunting in these. It's currently 2019. It's actually Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day to everybody out there, especially anybody who served or is serving. Thank you so much for everything you've done. And let's enjoy some baseball cards in the meantime. So yeah, trying to go for Bellingers. Mentioned before, I have a few already. I have a purple and I believe a base auto. But hoping to pull something here. That should be really cool. Especially on camera, it'd be even cooler. Let's see my stack over here from box number 1 the other day. Alright, let's go ahead and rip into these right now. I haven't showed the odds before. On the last pack I did not, so I'll go ahead and do it right now. Can't really see it, it's very reflective there. Kinda see it there. It's not gonna work. Well, you have to check them out online. So here we go. Wish me luck. 5 autos per box. Gives me 5 chances at a sweet Bellinger. Let's see what we get. Alright, oh, we got a purple right off the bat again, just like the other box. Glenn Perkins, Billy Butler, Stin Hedges, and is it Yohan Urena? Yohan Urena. Alright, nice. Starting it off with another purple, that's cool. Number 154 of 250. Got updates, Monty Harrison, series next, Tanaka. That actually on this stapage here. Baby's going a little crazy. Background. Worth and Springer. Alright, nice start there. Another purple. Got Carlos Gonzalez. Hong Kong, Gong. Oh, here we go. Justin Steele. A little something on the side right there. A little sticky stuff. Just a base auto. Base auto, Justin Steele. Colin Moran. Rusney Castillo. Jackson. DJ Peterson. Cole Stewart. Kobe Ellsby, Grandal. It's got 2 autos already. Just like in the last box. 2 autos sitting up top. Don't know if they're all like that. Got Prado, Jake Lamb. I gotta move this stack over here. It's kind of in a weird spot. Danny Santana. I see a tall boy of Nick Gordon. Duval Herrera, Almonte, Shipley. There's another one back here too. Corey Seager. Trevor Bauer. Fourth pack. Also Gleyber Torres in this. I think Ozzie Albies. A couple other guys. Drew Miller. Francisco Rodriguez. Hara. Tall boy of Steven Matz. Wade Davis. Feels like there's another one. Nope. Oh, it's number. Oh, it's refractor. Duh. I'm skipping over these refractors. $4.99. Monty Harrison, Matt Chapman, Mitch Keller, Austin Casino, Grant Holmes, Casimir, Eddie Rosario, Torrey Hunter. Inadvertently skipping over those refractors. Duval Herrera, Alex Rios, Jock Peterson, an auto, Joe Wendell. Joe Wendell. That is just another base auto. So that's 3 hits over the 5. Hunter Renfroe, Pentecost, Eloy Jimenez, Defoe, Joe Panic, Markakis, Neckley. About halfway down with the box, I think. Yep, 6 packs. Ooh, we got a gold. Got a gold something. Looks like an auto. Tim Cooney, Lucas Duda. And it is Akil Morris. Don't know who that is, but it's a gold. Nice. 42 of 50. That would have been a nice Bellinger to pull. Alex Hansen. J.D. Davis. Sensatella. De La Rosa. Alright, yeah, I got 6 more packs to go. Already got 4 hits. Haven't seen any normal parallel, like just colored parallel and non-auto yet. And as I say that, there's a green, I think, auto right there. Adrian Beltre, Porcello, baby's going crazy. Oh, Severino's dropping out here. Let's see what the green is. Oh, Edwin Diaz, so it's not an auto. It's an auto spot. Edwin Diaz, 30 of 99. So right as I said that, pulled a green. Nice. Joe Panic. Series next. Prime, Arroyo, Dick Thompson, Victor Baez. Oh, this pack is kind of like tucked back there. All right, Carrasco, Yunel Escobar, tall boy of Alex Jackson. Looks like there's one right here behind Escobar. Starting to get stuck a little bit. JD Martinez, Jackson, Carlos Rodon, Faro, Giolito, Souvenir, Mercedes, Vogelbach, Pedro Alvarez, Gonzalez, Jared Weaver. Still looking for the last auto. Chris Bryant. Interesting color right there. Brantley. Here's an auto. Victor Arano. Looks like another base. Yep. It's not a lot of color in this one. Actually, that's not true. There is some decent color. Scotty. Lowry. So that should be it for the box. Pending any other parallels and non-autos here. Got 3 packs left, including this one. There's a purple. Pujols, Tyson Ross, Brandon Nimmo purple. 141 of 250. AJ Cole. DeLeon. Alright, I think 2 packs left. Tucked back there too. Get one more parallel, that'd be cool. Some color. And looks like, I don't know, we'll see. Preston Tucker. Tall boy, yep, we got another purple. Francisco Lindor. Wade Davis. Good pitcher. 62 of 250. Sean Newcomb, Frazier. Jimmy Rollins. Alright, last pack. Last pack. Volquez. Got a green. Lorenzen, a Seager Tallboy, and a green of D. Gordon. 4 of 99. Cave. So what a Perez. Alright. So yeah, a lot of color in this one. Started off with a nice one, that's for sure. Color wise. Alright, so we got D. Gordon, 99. Wade Davis to 250, right? Yep. Nemo purple, 250. Victor Arano, base auto. Sure that's that. Edwin Diaz. Gold, Akil Morris. That's a nice one. Base auto, Joe Wendell. Base is Justin Steele. And a purple of Jan Arena. So there you go. Nice colored box again. Still no Bellinger, as to be expected. Cool, thanks for watching. It's the second box of 2015 Bowman Chrome Jumbo. Catch y'all later. Peace.